Processing final pay in Xero can feel like a complex task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to process final pay in Xero step by step in a way that's quick and easy to follow. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a helpful tip that'll save you time and reduce errors when processing final pay in the future. To start, let's talk about what final pay means. Final pay is the last paycheck an employee receives when leaving your company. This includes not only their regular pay, but also any accrued leave, like annual leave or sick leave, depending on your region's laws. It's important to get this right, and with Xero, the process is streamlined. First, navigate to the payroll section in Xero. If you haven't already, make sure you've set up the employee's termination date. To do this, go to Employees, find the employee you're processing final pay for, and under their details, click Terminate Employment. This is key to ensuring that all leave balances and final pay are calculated correctly. Now let's move on to creating the final pay. In Xero, click Pay Runs and create a new pay run. Select the employee's name and ensure the pay period is set to the correct final date. This step is crucial because it ensures that any additional payments, like unused holiday pay or severance, are included in the final pay calculation. Once the pay run is created, you'll be prompted to enter any adjustments. If the employee has accrued leave, Xero will automatically calculate how much leave they're owed based on the settings you've input for their leave entitlements. Make sure to double check this because mistakes can happen. If you need to make adjustments, simply add or subtract amounts under the Adjustments tab. Next, check the leave balances. Xero makes it easy to see how much annual leave or sick leave the employee has left. If they haven't used all of their leave days, those will be paid out in their final paycheck. Ensure the leave is processed correctly by reviewing the leave balances before confirming the final pay. Once everything looks good, finalize the pay run. Xero will generate the payslip, which includes all the necessary details, such as the employee's wages, leave payouts, and any deductions. Be sure to review this payslip thoroughly to avoid errors. Xero gives you a clear breakdown of all the components, so you can make sure everything is accurate. After the pay run is complete, you can easily pay the employee through your chosen payment method. Xero integrates with many bank accounts, making it easy to transfer the funds directly from the platform. Before we wrap up, I want to mention one more thing. Processing final pay in Xero is quick and accurate, but there are some best practices to make sure you're compliant with tax laws and leave entitlements. Always check the tax settings and ensure that any applicable taxes are applied to the final pay amount. This will save you from potential mistakes down the road. To make sure you're getting the most out of Xero, you can use it completely for free by clicking the first link in the description below. We're offering an exclusive extended free trial, so you can test out all the features without any commitment. Don't miss out. Try it today. In summary, processing final pay in Xero doesn't need to be complicated. With the right steps, you'll be able to pay your employees correctly and on time every time. If you need more help with payroll or Xero in general, make sure to check out our other videos. And remember, you can start your exclusive trial with the link below.